to our honoree, Mrs. Delinda J. Bulahao, to our Public Schools District Supervisor, Ma'am Glenda Bigunmalen, principals, school heads, teachers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am also thankful and grateful to you, Ma'am Bibi, for all the good things you did for me. My teacher when I was in grade 2, a great teacher and a loving mother as well. She never fails to give me in terms of advices and moral support. And I could not forget those things that made me realize who I am today. When I became a teacher, she was also my companion, my school head for over 13 years in La Union Elementary School, sharing laughters and problems as well, learning a lot from her during her technical assistance, which made my teaching learning improved. And those experiences we shared will never be forgotten for the rest of my life. So, Ma'am Bibi, wishing you all the very best of luck and all the good things that life has to offer in your new journey. Happy retirement. Thank you and may God bless you always.
Ma'am Darlinda, hindi kita makalimutan nung ako pa'y isang estudyante mo. Umiyak ako nung nag-transfer ka ng ibang school. Talagang iniyakan ko yon kasi hindi na kita nakikita. Then, baon-baon ko po yung sinasabi mo palagi. Ma'am Darlinda, thank you. Si gwapa gihapon. Then take care always of yourself. That's all. I love you, my teacher, my inspiration in my life. Ma'am Darlinda Humawan Bulahao. Mwah!
Hi inahan, happy retirement day. Salamat kayo sa imong pagtudlo nimo kanako. Nga usa nimo ka estudyante sa una. And then salamat pud sa kamaayong nga imong gihatag nimo kanako. Inahan, salamat kayo sa imong mga knowledge nga imong gihatag kanako. Number 1 is kanang adoang the best nga luto kanang lauoy. Salamat kayo kay ang tud karon inahan nadala na gyud ako ng pagluto-luto, no. Salamat kay inahan, salamat gyud kaayo. Inahan, once again, happy retirement day. Wish you all the best. Bye inahan.
Hi Mami B, congratulations of your well-deserved retirement after how many years of your outstanding service as a teacher. Your retirement marks the end of an era, but your legacy as a teacher and a mentor will live on. We're grateful for your hard work, dedications, and inspirations you brought upon us, to the classrooms, and to your colleagues. Salamat sa tanan ma'am for being part of your students as proud alumni of La Union Elementary School. Congratulations once again ma'am. God bless and enjoy your retirement. Thank you.